Hey everyone, so today I'm back to share another planner unboxing video with you guys. I know you're probably thinking, didn't you just make one recently? Well, things have changed once again. I know I'm still in the process of trying to figure out what works best. I've tried different ones so far and I'm not going to say they didn't work, but I wasn't really satisfied, if that makes any sense. So I'm hoping and crossing fingers that this will be it. So I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys what I got. All right, you guys, so here is what I got. If you're not familiar with this design, this is the Filofax Compact Calypso in black. So let me take this cover off so you don't see the glare. So here's what it looks like unwrapped from the plastic cover. I'll do a 360 for you guys so you can check it out. So here's the front, here's the spine, the back, then here's the top, the bottom, and the opening. So I'm pretty familiar with this actual planner and this size. This was actually one of my favorites or favorite sizes with the Filofax planners, just because it's not too big. It is the same size as the personal size, but it's not as thick, if that makes any sense, and the rings are smaller. So this is actually a little bit more compact and, you know, doable to bring in your purse because it's not too big and bulky. One thing I loved about it is this strap right here. I love it. It has like that croc feel, I guess you can say, but it just looks really nice. It looks like a wallet, to be honest. So, all right, let's open this up. So first thing, I noticed that the rings are not closed. These are just like pretty much, let's see, let me try to fix this really quick. Hold on. That's actually a good thing that I did that because it allowed me to check and make sure that the rings are okay. So here's what it looks like opened up. You get 4 card slot pockets and then this one big one right here. And the pen loop is on the left, which I really like because it kind of doesn't interfere with the tabs if it were to be on the right side. You also get a long pocket here, which is nice. And then I'll show you guys the back. Here is just a zipper pocket, which is nice. That's basically it for like pockets wise, which I think is really nice because it's just super simple. So onto the inserts, you do get your flyleaf or dashboard. You get 6 tab dividers, which I kind of wish they weren't this colorful. I really liked the, you know, cotton or the cream colored ones. You get a few to-do sheets. Also lined paper, grade paper, blank, some colored notes. I think there's 2 of each. And they just come in 3 different colors. One thing I wish they didn't change was the ink color on the inserts. I'll show you guys. If you can see, it's blue. It's weird because there's some that's in black and then some in blue. So I'm definitely not going to use these. I do have some inserts that I did purchase off of Etsy, so I'll share that with you guys. And then it has the 2018 inserts, week on 2 pages. So just flip through these really quick, and this is what they look like. I like that they're all boxed evenly or sized evenly, and this goes all the way to December. Let's see, January 2nd right here. Then you have notes, a few pages of that, and that's pretty much that. And then it comes with a frosted ruler, which is nice. I like that. And then of course the cover that protects the rings from indenting here. So that is a quick little overview and unboxing of my new planner. Again, I'm excited to move into this and try it out, and hopefully this will be the one for me. I'm kind of having good vibes with this one already because of the size. The Kate Spade planner I was using previously, I thought it was just a little too bulky, so this one might do. So I'll definitely keep you guys updated and share with you how I set it up. But other than that, I hope you guys found this unboxing helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye!